Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Jon Renau human hair chocolate collection wig color. This is Angie by Jon Renau. It's a human hair wig in the color FS2V/31V, also known as chocolate cherry. This has not been removed from the packaging, so I'm going to go ahead and do that on camera so you can kind of get a feel for what Angie feels like right out of the box. Angie is one of the only pre-permed wigs offered by Jon Renau. So this is a Remy quality wig. You can see lots of natural light coming in through the window. So very intense coloration on this one. So let me go ahead and take the tag off. Now Angie, as I mentioned, is pre-permed. She is Remy. She also has a 100% hand-tied cap. So she's got a hand-tied lace front, she's got a hand-tied monofilament top, the entire back and sides are hand-tied. She has an extended felt nape back here that you can use Velcro adjusters on. Be careful when you pull on this wig though, because there is mesh covering the elastic here to protect it from getting overextended and covered in makeup and stuff. And this will help your wig fit securely longer, but you want to avoid pulling this so tight that this Velcro bit gets stuck under here. I'd like to show you this chocolate cherry color up close before I comb this wig out and put her on. As you can see, this is a similar color to the chocolate cherry from, their synthetic wigs. I would say that the biggest difference though is that there's less violet in the human hair version. I mean, you might see little hints of it pulling through, but by and large the copper here is consistent. It's just not as violet, because in the heat-friendly synthetic and the regular synthetic version of the chocolate cherry, the FS2V/31V from Jon Renau, you'll get both of these component colors. You'll get this dark brown with this really bright coppery color, but it's got lots of violet throughout both of those. So even though this is like a gingery copper, you'll see that violet poking through. And while you can see hints of it when you run your fingers through this color in the human hair, I mean, it's much more toned down than in the synthetic versions, especially the traditional synthetic version. The traditional synthetic version of this hair color has a ton of violet in it. In fact, this one probably looks a little bit more like the heat-friendly version because that highlight shade is very similar to what you'll see on the Heat Defiant. The hair feels like satin, doesn't really need much work to look pretty. I'm also going to adjust the part up here at the top so that way I can show you these mono features. This is a really densely threaded wig, so you can see lots of tiny little knots all throughout there, and I'll show you the lace front when I get it on. As you can probably tell, there's no permatease in Angie. She's completely hand-tied, as I mentioned earlier. So the volume up top is very natural. She's got a lot of volume down here at the bottom, simply by virtue of the really glam hair texture she comes with. This is a very rich, dark color. Let me show you that lace front. Like most Jon Renau lace fronts, this is a smart lace front, so it starts off sparse at the front and gets gradually thicker as you get towards the monofilament features. So my wig cap there. There's an up close of that color. You can see little hints of the violet poking through, but by and large you see mainly the dark midnight brown with that intense copper color. Now, even though it's called chocolate cherry, it is not a cherry red, nor is it like a wine color. It is a bright copper color, a dark, bright copper. So let me show you what Angie looks like on all sides in this chocolate cherry color. Let's talk some specs. The front on Angie is about 5 to 6 inches. The crown down is 14 inches, so really long. The sides are 14.5 inches, and the nape is also 14.5, so it's gonna look a little longer if you straighten her than what you see here. This is a 4.9 ounce wig, which is a really manageable weight, very realistic and comparable to what you would expect from a synthetic wig with this hair texture and density. This wig fits a little snug on me. Most of the Jon Renau hand-tied wigs do. I have a 23.5 inch cap circumference, so it kind of comes with the territory when you have an average large head. As you can see, the coverage on this wig is pretty good. Only a little bit of my bio hair is poking through, and luckily it's a similar color, so it will just kind of enhance the natural appearance, especially if I pull some of that out to blend in with the hair. Yeah, this is a pretty luscious wig. Gorgeous. Gorgeous color. I love this chocolate cherry. I love it in the heat-friendly synthetic. I love it in the regular synthetic, and I love it here in the human hair. This is natural sunlight coming in through the window, so you can see exactly how this looks, and it feels amazing. Every time I try one of these Jon Renau human hair wigs on, I kind of pet it a lot and fall in love with it and want to keep it forever, but that would cost a lot of money. I've already got 2 Blakes, that's enough. So I say, but that will probably end up keeping this one too. I'm gonna be broke. Buy some hair so I can buy myself some more hair. Whatever. Okay, so hey, this is Angie. She's gorgeous. You should give her a try if you're in the market for something similar to this. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching my goofy wig videos featuring me and my goofy self. And hopefully you will enjoy watching more of them. Hopefully they make you smile. Hopefully you have a brighter day because of it. And, you know, I'll see you next time. Check out my wig store if you get a chance so I can buy more hair. Bye-bye.